Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aries. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance, Aries. So let's start with these cards. We have Five of Pentacles in reverse, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, and Queen of Wands. So, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. You are working hard, trying to do everything in the right way, guys, but still there are a lot of struggles you are facing. Things are not going as expected. You may see some delays, suspensions in work, some kind of obstacles maybe, and though you are someone who is really skilled, talented, devoted to your work, you find it really difficult to get back on track, doing everything just as expected and getting the expected returns. So maybe in your work or in your business some difficulties are there in your situation, guys, and you may also see some financial loss maybe, Aries, and nothing is certain. You have a lot of doubts, confused. Maybe for some reason there is you don't have clarity, guys. You don't know how things will turn up. So it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. And I also see that maybe if it is a situation in your relationship, you are seeing a lot of struggles to know this person, understand them. Maybe they were really good, they are someone honest, that is what you thought, and you were really happy with them. But for some reason, you have a situation today, circumstances are such that you don't know where your love will proceed, guys. So maybe you both have a lot of arguments or misunderstandings in this love. You don't know where this relationship is headed, and maybe you believe this person to be the one for you. You trusted them, you felt really happy with them, but today your circumstances has gone the other way round and you don't know whether you can trust them or where this relationship will go, guys. So some kind of misunderstandings and troubles in your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Four of Wands in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, guys, it is a positive card and it stands for celebration. So maybe for some of you, you may come to an understanding with this person and you are celebrating. Maybe you are seeing a reconciliation. Maybe if you were in some arguments or fights, you were not in speaking terms with this person, you are going to reconcile and things are going to go in a very positive way very soon, guys, and your whatever problems you had, you are simply going to resolve all that in this relationship, Aries. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Two of Cups, again a positive card. So even in your career situation, guys, there are some potential collaborations coming your way and you are going to see success and prosperity because of these collaborations or partnerships in your work or in your business. So positive changes are what I see for y'all guys, Aries. So though you are seeing troubles today, your situation, all those troubles are coming to an end very soon, guys, Aries. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new. in your life. Maybe you want to, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative, you want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.